सो सरपंच बाब आयज तुमी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाचे हांगासर चवथ बाजार हे हांगासर जे स्टॉल आसले ते आयज ओपनिंग केल्ले आसा कितें सांगपाक सोदता ह्या वेळाचेर
This is not the first time that we have opened a self-help group bazaar. It has been there for many years, and this year we have made it look a little bit better, so that because all their homemade products are sold here, and we want them to sell more products. We have already opened a shop for them. So in May we inaugurated the shop, and they are doing a very good job, and even Panchayat is supporting. We have bought their bags which they have made, and we are going to give it free of cost to the people so that they don't bring plastic bags to the market, or they don't. So we are going to give them cloth bags. So we have already ordered this time 1,000 big cloth bags and small cloth bags of another 1,000, which will be given free so that people start going with only cloth bags and not plastic bags, recycled.
ओके
See, we are promoting the self-help groups so that everybody makes some small business, and I'm very happy to announce that one of my known person from Arade has started that paper making paper plate machine she has bought, and we have also supported her, which she forgot to mention it, but we don't I don't go for advertising, but we have also supporting the family with that, what she's tried the paper making plates, and like that we have suggested last time to the ladies to make these cloth bags, so they are also going to make cloth bags, so we are helping them in this way.
Okay, so I hear that sir from Panchayat side there are some classes also specially organized for the ladies or for the women in village. Just tell me about that.
We have stitching classes, which we have cooking classes, which we want to have. We have different classes which we want to start for entrepreneurship, so they can do their own.
Yes.
Wishing all my Candolim villagers a very happy Ganesh and prosperous and peaceful Ganesh. Thank you.
कितें म्हटला
बायक हार्डनकर.
ओके हे तुम्ही सगळे खंयच्यान हाडल्यात
सर हे सगळे आम्ही रिसेलिंग करतात.
ओके
म्हणजे होलसेलांतल्यान घेऊन आम्ही
ओके आयज तुमकां हांगासर चवथ बाजार हांगासर स्टॉल लावपाक दिलो कितें सांगूंक सोदतले
सर आमकां पंचायत आमची कांदोलीम पंचायत आमकां खूब हेल्प करता.
ओके
हेल्प करून आमकां ते ब्लेज सर आसा ते आमकां स्टॉल घालपाक हांगा मदत करता, आनी दर वर्सा आमी स्टॉल घालता. असो चवथीकूच न्ही, आमी दिवाळीकूय घालता, क्रिसमसाकूय घालता, बट तेंचो पंचायतीचो आमकां खूब सपोर्ट आसता, आनी हेज्या खातीर आमकां आमचें म्हणजे लायवलीहूड जाता. आमी एज अ हावजवायफूच आसतात, म्हणल्यार आमकां घरान रांदतात तेच इतलें ना, पूण आमी भायर वचून हें सगळें रिसेलिंग करून आमकां मातशें आमकां पयशेय मेळटात.